Hello, I'm Claudia Meowington, Feline Affairs correspondent here in the Ottawa Valley, bringing the latest updates from Meow for Now News. Today, we have an exciting story to talk about. Whiskers and wishes beneath the blooms and skies so blue, a bunny hops with joy in view. Eggs are hidden, tails held high, while tulips stretch and butterflies fly. Cats curl close with gentle purrs, as springtime stirs the world in blurs. Hope is painted, soft and sweet, in every paw print, heart, and treat. Here's hopping into your homes, wishing you a happy Easter from your EGGSTRA kitty sitter, Lori. Meow for Now News. 613-408-4731